morning is Wednesday, December 14th, and we're getting concrete poured here for this beautiful new house that's arriving in January. They're making the concrete pad next to the house. This is a big house. And they're doing the little area for the shed. We do a concrete pad under the shed. And they'll be laying little sections at a time because it's kind of a windy day here. Got a little system going here. Let's take a look. Take a look from this side. They're smoothing out the area where the pad is. All the extra. And then Pat's bringing in more little pieces at a time. Good job. A couple of hand signals there. Grades it while he backs up a little bit. And they tap it down, get the bubbles out. We're working quickly because the weather's going to turn really frigid, and after this we won't be able to lay any concrete. We were hoping to asphalt some more patches, but now we don't have the weather cooperating, so we're gonna have to wait till next year. Pat's lending a hand. Between the three guys, we do a really great job here. Pretty amazing. All the equipment. And now he filled out another little batch. Let's get another angle from over here. And then over here will be a little plot of grass, his patio, and then the house. This is actually one of the last big lots we have available. Across the street we had a big lot that we were able to put a 3-bedroom on. That turned out really pretty. And then this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. But that's pretty rare in this community. Pretty much we have 2-bedroom, 1-bath, and 1-bedroom, 1-bath. And that's it. We're kind of retrofitting the way it was in the olden days and then making them fit the spaces that we were given when we first came here. Very methodical. A little bobcat has really come in handy. It's been a great investment. Yesterday the guys went and pulled 3 houses in someone else's property because we have all the right equipment to help everybody out. Pouring again. beach or playing with silly putty as a kid. Really fun. And there you have it. You'll be going little by little until it's all done. How to maneuver that machine. Hope you're not bored. This is so fun for me to watch. Alright, everybody, have a great day and Merry Christmas. God bless America.